It's Monday morning in Kathmandu, and Tim and I signed up for a cooking class. So we're gonna learn how to make some traditional Nepali food. This is our man here who picked us up from the hotel. What's the name of the cooking school? Or
Nepal Cooking School.
Nepal Cooking School, okay.
Run by the women team. Money goes to 100% charity.
Oh wow.
Yes.
100% of it was
100% charity.
So we just checked in to the cooking class, got acquainted with our classmates. It's a tight group, it's only 4 people, plus our teacher. Our teacher's taking us to the local market right now. We're gonna buy some fresh ingredients. We made it to the market, just getting some fresh produce. Okay, we're taking a rickshaw back to the cooking school. All right, bro, we trust you. Don't crash. We're gonna make masala tea now.
We put some cheese and cumin, salt and turmeric, okay?
Aloo chop. Very good. One Nepali pizza. Cooking carrot pudding in a bowl.